Hey guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here because I am super excited with what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make a big triptych, 90 by 90 centimeters, so that's 3 by 3 feet, and it's a commission work. And she asked me to do a color split and with vibrant colors because her house is kind of neutral with neutral colors, and she loves my work and that it pops there. So she sent me some references so I could get a sort of idea what she wanted. And yeah, I'm gonna start on this, but it won't fit on my table, so I need to do it in 2 parts. But I don't mind because then I can check it out already if things are working. And I will start with a Venetian rose base and a yellow base. So this is cadmium yellow middle. Yeah, gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to make a sort of rainbow in between. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so these are 1 by 3 feet and yeah, they don't fit all on my table, so I'm gonna do it in 2 steps. And I will start with I think a yellow base. Let's go with a yellow base here. Okay, and then here the pink, and then the blue one I will do after this. And we go here with the white. And yeah, let's blow that out. So far so good, so let me do the sides, of course. And it's so weird to start doing this, horizontal, but I'm gonna start with the violet red here. For both. And I will pour here a little yellow. Then there a little of this pink. No, not too much. And then I have this phthalo blue because I think they would like blue in there, because I almost had only pictures with blue and some vibrant colors, so let's go for that. All right, and some copper. And gold. And I need to remember this if this works for the other one that I'm gonna do. So I will pour here some of the pink, like that, and some of the yellow, and white on both sides. Oh, this is I don't know, guys. It's so big, I'm so not used to this. Okay, so let's go with the blow dryer and I will blow some white and some pink over. And then, yeah, let's blow this out. I see there, it's already beautiful. Okay, yeah, we can definitely work with this. And I need to be on the other side for that one. So let's see. Yeah, I will blow this part. Yeah, this is definitely color. They wanted color, so yeah, they're getting color. So maybe I will even take this off, but let me first work on the other side, this side. Okay, I really think this one is stunning. Yeah, this one is stunning. I dislike this part because that's kind of muddy. So I guess I will take that off, but first let me torch this. Okay, so there are not a lot of huge cells really, but okay, so let me take this part off here. I need to keep some of the yellow for the other one. Let me go to your side again. Yeah, this is gorgeous, really. This is stunning. Well, if they don't want this, I think I will take it. I will take it. Yeah guys, this is perfect. So let me bring you up for a close-up of these and I'm gonna start working on the blue one. Yeah guys, I'm super happy with this. It's just beautiful. Well, I should show it like this. It's just gorgeous. It just looks like the small ones I make, but yeah, these are way bigger. Definitely work. These colors are amazing together. Yeah, I love it a lot. So stay tuned for part 2 because I'm gonna do a dark blue one with this in the same color combination.